film produced by the company. Features superior surface appearance and transparency. Equipped with self-developed nano-coating formula technology. It is highly resistant to damp heat aging and features self-healing. The new generation Aurora TPU color-changing film inherits the protection genes of TPU invisible car clothing. It creates an optical-grade polyurethane enhancement layer and a high-gloss color layer, combining protection and color change into one, keeping your beloved car forever like new. Magnetron sputtering lens heat insulating window film selects rare precious metals with a golden ratio, achieving an infrared rejection rate as high as 99%. It effectively blocks heat for a smoother journey and a more comfortable ride. Lens sunroof armor inherits PPF protection and window film heat insulation technologies with a UV rejection rate of over 99% and hardcore sun protection. It is the sole supplier of sunroof armor for Great Wall Motor. Prism Film has 4 major smart production bases and 5 major warehousing, covering over 50 cities nationwide to ensure logistics efficiency. With 5,000 offline professional construction stores distributed across the country, we enforce strict standards and standardized construction. Prism Film adheres to material upgrades as the engine, focusing on quality improvement in the automotive industry, meeting diverse needs such as environmental protection, energy conservation, and innovative development. Together with our partners, we continuously launch innovative products with greater value, contributing the solid strength of Prism Film to the sustainable development of the automotive industry.